Karina from Knit Indulgence here. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a right leaning decrease for triple knitting. So the first thing that we need to do is rearrange some of our stitches here, because we can't work our decrease unless we have our front layer, middle layer, and back layer together. So the first thing we're going to do is insert our needle purlwise in the first and fourth stitch. We're going to ignore the second and third stitch because that's the middle and the back layer. We're going to slide the left needle out, pinching it so we don't lose those stitches, and then we're just going to pick them up and hold them off to the back so they're out of the way. Then we're going to transfer these two stitches back onto the left hand needle so we can work them. So to work this, the first decrease, all that we need to do is K2 together. And then we bring our yarn to the front. Now we're going to need to reorientate the stitches for the middle layer. So we put our right hand needle into our first and third stitches, slip that out and catch that stitch so it's on the needle. Insert the needle into, or transfer those back purlwise, and then for this middle layer we're going to do the same as the first layer because we're on a KKP row. If we were on a KPP row, we would work the middle layer the same as the back layer. So what we're going to do here is just K2 together and bring the yarn to the front. So now we're on the third set here, the back layer, and we don't need to rearrange any stitches to work the bottom layer decrease. All we need to do is bring the yarn to the front, slip one knitwise, slip one knitwise, slip them back to the needle, and then work a SSP. And if you see what I'm doing, I'm bringing our needle in through the back, through the two back legs if it lets me, and then purling those two. And that's how you work the right leaning decrease. If you'd like, I'll just do another set here and then I'll show you that one more time. Knit, knit, purl. All right. So the first thing we need to do is rearrange our stitches. So we put our needle in the first and the fourth, catch those two in the back, put them back onto the needle, and then K2 together. Bring that yarn to the front. Then we need to rearrange our stitches so we have the middle layer together. And then we're going to knit two together. Bring that yarn to the front. And then to work this one, we're going to slip knitwise, transfer them both purlwise back to the needle, come in through the back legs there, yarn in the front so I can purl that, and then purl. I'm working that SSP. So if we were working on a KPP or a return row, what we would do is we would work our K2 together on the front layer, and then our SSP on the middle layer and SSP on the back layer. Bring our yarn to the back, and there you have it. 2 right leaning decreases.